Hi, toilet seat replacement. What we got here is a toilet seat where the little studs have broken off from the bases, and that is not coming off, and underneath, I don't know if you can see, it's completely rusted up, so there's no way of undoing that really. So easiest way, take a little angle grinder and just cut these tops right above the studs. Right above the studs where they're coming from underneath, and then clear it out. There you go. You can see it here now in the light. There is no way to undo this. So rusted. So I'm going to repeat on the other side and then clean it all up and fit new stuff. Now I'm going to use these little Wonder Wipes, and you'll see they're clean. I'm going to clean up everything beautifully. Stubborn stuff. Some glue there as well. All this brass dust. Don't be tempted to flush them down the toilet, you will block the drain. These are not good to be flushed down the toilet. Never do that. They'll have to go in a bin. And here's our new toilet seat. This one is Burlington, solid oak, to match in style. The previous one, it's a little bit lighter in colour. We've got some other themes around the house that are oak themed, so it will go well with it. It's very similar with the old one. It's simple fixing instructions. We've got a set of bolts here. And this is what we got. So this is the white pad that will go against the hinge like that, and this will go underneath and thread into the center hole of the hinge. So I'm going to set our seat in. There is a little screw on each hinge that will allow these hinge bases to rotate ex-center. And by doing that, then you can match the spread on the hinge to the spread of the holes in there, because at the moment you can see they're not lining up. So there's a screw there. Just slacken the screw. On both bases. And line up both holes so it is symmetrical. So they have to be like that. And then retighten both of these screws. You can see the screw there. Now, once the spread has been corrected, we can put our rubber pads on. We can take our little bolt assembly and thread that into the bottom of the hinge. Like so. set these through. Check for any extra adjustments. I think this will have to go slightly more back. So I'll have to swing this slightly backwards. More like that. Just a little bit. I've got three exactly same toilets to do here, so a bit of play on the first one will tell us exact spread for the next one as well. So now I can put, just to say, black rubber pad, this nylon wing nut on the side, and thread it on to the other side. All you have to do is tighten it with fingers. Don't use any tools on the wing nuts. You don't want to break wings of the nylon wing nut. That is solid. Right, now there you go. It's one toilet seat installed. Traditional Burlington solid oak seat. Ta-da! Just gonna say a few little notes on the stuff used today. You can see that's a Burlington seat with all instructions, and then cleaning and maintenance. Fitting. Okay, we'll leave this with the customer so they can get a bit more familiar with it, together with guarantee card. This is exact description of it. Okay. Now another handy thing is Everbuild Wonder Wipes. I think the sort of original ones came out on the market for cleaning all sorts of difficult surfaces. Cleans up everything, really. They are wonder. They do wonders. It's I don't use them on everything and everywhere, but on places like this where we have to remove stubborn dirt from behind the old hinge and prepare the seat, pan for the new seat, they do really wonders. They will remove any sort of residue. And again, a good old brushless DeWalt DCG 405 angle grinder. I love it. It's very well balanced. It can run for a long time on standard 4 or 5 amp batteries. Durable. I mean, you can see it's been abused. I use it on rain, use it indoors, outdoors. It works in dusty environments, and it's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I changed many angle grinders in my life, and I really, when these cordless ones came on, I thought, oh, they're not going to last long with the batteries or anything. Nah, these are absolutely brilliant. Another little thing handy is Irwine Vise-Grip water pump pliers. They got this push button locking mechanism. I think it's really brilliant, because sometimes with the standard ones, if you have to fiddle something, they can just get slipped and suddenly they move up or down. With this you can actually adjust the jaw opening with this button, and it locks in that position, and it's not going to move out of that position until you lock again. It's a really handy piece of kit to have, and durable and strong. I had these now for probably 12-13 years, and still going strong. And here I'm on the second seat, and forgot to mention these little blades. They're very thin, made by Bosch X-lock. I know I'm combining the DeWalt tool with a Bosch accessory, but these blades are absolutely perfect. They're very durable, they're very thin curve, ideal for cutting stainless steel, brass, any difficult materials, and it will cut through steel like through butter.